A Louisville gun shop owner is now charged with murder in connection with a deadly shooting outside of his business back in July.
30-year-old William Albright is also charged with assault. WLKY's Carolyn Callahan is here now with the latest on this case.
Vicki, according to court documents, William Albright tried to stop two brothers from fighting over a gun outside of his business in July, but it turned deadly after Albright reportedly shot at the two men. July 8th, outside of Hardshell Tactical, a gun shop in Valley Station, two brothers were reportedly fighting over a gun. The owner of the shop, William Albright, is accused of shooting at the brothers when they wouldn't stop fighting. 29-year-old Cameron Pearson died.
His brother Kyle Pearson was wounded, but that's about the extent of what I can say at this point.
Jefferson County Assistant Commonwealth's Attorney Jeff Cook says Albright is now indicted for murder in the death of Cameron Pearson, and he's indicted for assault in connection to Kyle Pearson's injuries.
Well, every case can be different, and this case is probably a little unusual. It's not the typical murder case, I think, and that's what maybe took it. It took longer than they usually do.
Cook says making the decision to indict someone on murder isn't an easy task. They talked with Pearson's family members as part of the process.
As the case goes on, we take into account their sentiments. We have what's called victim advocates that meet with them regularly and keep them informed of what's happening as the case progresses. But no, we consult with them and try to keep them informed of plea negotiations and trial strategies and things like that.
A warrant has been issued for Albright's arrest. The grand jury requested his bond to be set at $35,000.
I don't know what all the facts are at this stage and what develops in that, but again, this is a very serious charge, and so it'll be looked at very seriously.
We went to the gun shop today. We were told there's no comment on behalf of William Albright. He is scheduled to be in court Monday morning. Carolyn Callahan, WLKY News.
Thank you, Carolyn. Two local schools are